നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ അഞ്ജലി ദീപേഷ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ സെഗ്മെൻറ്റ് എ സ്ലൈസ് ഓഫ് ലൈഫിൽ നമ്മൾ ബോഡി ഷേമിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ബോഡി ഷേമിങ് അത് മനസ്സിനെ വല്ലാണ്ട് പ്രയാസപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. എന്താണ് ബോഡി ഷേമിങ്? അതായത് ഒരു വ്യക്തിനെ അവരുടെ ഫിസിക്കൽ അപ്പിയറൻസിൽ പറഞ്ഞ് നമ്മൾ കളിയാക്കുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവരെ വേദനപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന രീതിയിൽ നമ്മൾ സംസാരിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അത് ബോഡി ഷേമിങ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാൻ ഇന്നത്തെ ഗസ്റ്റായ അമ്പിളി പൊന്നത്തിനെ ഞാൻ ഇൻവൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഹായ് അമ്പിളി.
Hi everyone, my name is Ambili and today we are going to talk about self-love and body shaming. I apologize because I'm not comfortable in Malayalam, so I'll talk in English and you guys will get subtitles.
അത് സാരില്ല അമ്പിളി, ഞാൻ മലയാളത്തിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചോദിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സ് അമ്പിളിക്ക് കംഫർട്ടബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലാംഗ്വേജിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. പിന്നെ ഇന്ന് അമ്പിളിനെ കാണാൻ നല്ല ഭംഗിയായിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ, നല്ല സുന്ദരിയായിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Thank you so much, Chechi. You always compliment me and accepting that I am pretty even though I'm chubby took me a lot, and today we are going to talk about the same thing. So I think we should get started.
അമ്പിളി എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും ബോഡി ഷേമിങ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് എത്ര വയസ്സ് തൊട്ടാണ്?
Yes, I have been body shamed a lot and till date I still get body shamed a lot, and I would say at age of 18 I started getting body shamed because I gained a lot during those during that age. So yeah, I have been body shamed.
ബോഡി ഷേമിങ് അത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് അമ്പിളിനെ ബാധിച്ചത്?
I mean, yes, it definitely affected me. First thing, which is major change that it made, was I stopped going out for shopping, because whenever I went for buying clothes or jeans, they just don't have my size, and I used to go shop with my father and he used to just tell me that I never get your size and everything and all that thing. Just to avoid all those things, I just stopped buying clothes from outside. I just I wear boyfriend t-shirts and like pajamas all the time, and I usually avoid going out because I don't have outfits. So that's a major thing. And when I'm at someone's house, I eat in a limited portion, because even if I like the food, I would not eat a lot, because I think that they will be thinking that you know what I mean, right? So you guys get it. So yeah, those are little things that changed a lot, and yeah, that's how it affected me.
ആര് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് അമ്പിളിനെ ഇതിൽ നിന്നും ഓവർകം ചെയ്യാൻ സഹായിച്ചത്?
First of all, who helped me through this are my friends, of course. Second is Bangtan, and they are a huge part of my life now. They helped me a lot through this. And those who don't know about Bangtan is a K-pop band that teaches everyone to love yourself. That self-love is important no matter what. If you're white, you're black, you're skinny, you're chubby, you're thick, anything, just love yourself. That's the important thing. It will take time, but eventually you'll start loving yourself once you start accepting yourself. So I think they play a huge part in my life now. So yeah.
ഇപ്പൊ അമ്പിളി ഇതിൽ നിന്നും ഓവർകം ചെയ്തു അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് സ്വയം ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്?
I wouldn't say that I have completely overcome this thing, because even when I get body shamed now, it affects me a lot. It takes me few days to gain back the confidence all over again. The only positive thing is that I have the strength to gain back that confidence again. It's the only thing that it takes few days and it affects me a lot, as in a lot. I can't explain it in words, but those people who go through body shame can definitely understand what I'm talking about.
നമ്മുടെ കഴിവുകൾ നമ്മൾ പ്രദർശിപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഫിസിക്കൽ അപ്പിയറൻസ് മാറ്റർ ചെയ്യുമോ? അമ്പിളിയുടെ എന്താണ് അഭിപ്രായം?
Okay, first of all, this is the stupidest thing I have, you know, heard from people, that physical appearance matter in showcasing your talent. Like, dude, that's not a thing. Okay, even if you're way too skinnier, or if you are way too chubbier, it doesn't mean that you don't have talent. Okay, talent is talent. It doesn't, you know, relate to your physical appearance. You know, there shouldn't be any kind of rule that if you're black, if you're white, if you're skinnier, if you're chubbier, you're not allowed to showcase your talent, right? It's your talent. You should showcase that. I don't think physical appearance matter in that.
അമ്പിളി സോഷ്യൽ മീഡിയാസിൽ കുറെ ഇൻസ്പയറിംഗ് മെസ്സേജസും സ്വന്തം സ്റ്റോറീസും ഒക്കെ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. അതോടെ കുറെ പേര് അതിലൂടെ ഇൻസ്പയർ ആവണുണ്ട്. നല്ലൊരു ജെസ്ചറാണ്. അതായത് ഇതിലൂടെ കടന്നു പോണ ആൾക്കാർക്ക് അമ്പിളിയുടെ ആ സ്റ്റോറി ആയിട്ട് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നു. അപ്പൊ അവര് അമ്പിളിയുടെ അടുത്ത് വന്നിട്ട് ഇതിനെ കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കാറുണ്ടോ?
I wouldn't say that I'm an inspiring person. I mean, I'm just a normal girl who's trying to fit into the society and fight against body shaming. Yes, I do get messages from small children that you inspire us a lot, like your confidence makes us want to do something. So that's a good thing to know. And yes, I have one story that one of my friend used to body shame her cousin because she was chubby. And you know, I started writing about how people feel when you body shame them. Okay, so like, it's a lot. People go through a lot. Your words hurt a lot. You just body shame them for your fun, but it breaks them into million pieces. So think before you body shame them. Okay, so about the story, after reading all my posts that I wrote about body shaming, she stopped body shaming her cousin. So even if my words can affect that much on a person, like, if she can change, then it's a win-win situation for me, because I am changing as well as I am changing people too. So it's a good thing to know.
അമ്പിളി ആരിൽ നിന്നാണ് ഇൻസ്പയർ ആവുന്നത്?
From whom I get inspired? I mean, we all can get inspired from lot of things, but for me, importantly, it's Bangtan only, because they are the one who changed me. They are the one who gave me this life, this confident life, and I'll be forever grateful to them for, you know, making me this way. Like, all the 7 members taught me different things, and it is very important. Like, RM, there is, okay, I'll start with each and every member. Okay, first member is RM, who is the leader of the group. He taught me to never give up on what you believe. And this the eldest member of the group is Sokjin. He's just so confident about himself. He taught me self-confidence and self-love. Then there is this third member called Yungi. Yungi is a person who came out of depression and never stopped believing in his own dreams. He never gave up on his dream, and I will not. Okay, then there's fourth member, J-Hope. He taught me to smile. Like, you know, no matter what kind of situation you are in, you just smile. Okay, I know it's hard, but just start smiling in each and every situation. It will get easier, at least to handle. Okay, Park Jimin, he taught me that no matter what happens, you never stop loving people. You never stop giving them the love and the respect that they deserve. Okay, and there's a 6th member, Taeyang. Taeyang is the one who taught me that friendship and any kind of bond is very important. No, it doesn't require that you are connected, you know, like with blood. Every relationship is just beautiful. You just have to give your time, your efforts, and everything. into that. And there's the last member called Jungkook. He taught me that you have so many talents in you, that you should explore yourself and all those talent and showcase that to the world. You should not hide any kind of talents that you have. And I have started exploring myself. So I'm thankful to all the 7 members of the group for changing my life.
നമ്മുടെ വ്യൂവേഴ്സിനോട് അമ്പിളിക്ക് എന്താണ് പറയാനുള്ളത്? എന്ത് അഡ്വൈസ് ആയിരിക്കും അമ്പിളി കൊടുക്കുക?
My advice, okay. My advice for people going through body shaming, it's for them. You know, it's hard. I know it's very hard to, get through all those things that people throw at you. Like, yeah, you're very, big and you're very skinny and this and that. Lots of things. It's very hard to get through all this. But there is, even if you are still here and breathing, that means you're strong, okay, and you will survive everything. You just have to love yourself, accept yourself. You're beautiful in your own way. You don't have to be ashamed of who you are, okay. And my advice to people who bully, okay, you guys don't even think how much your words affect a person in a certain way. If there was a device which can translate the pain that they go through because of your words, you wouldn't be able to handle those, okay. So stop body shaming people. They are beautiful in their own way. And third thing, I want to request each and every parents out there, body shaming your own kid or calling them, I know you are concerned, but please, at least you don't body shame your kid. You are the only support that they get. And if you are the only one who makes fun of your child, I'm sorry to say you'll lose your child, okay. So please don't body shame your children or say any kind of words that can be hurtful, because the generation that we have now are way too sensitive than you think. And mental issue is a important issue, even if you don't think it doesn't exist. It does exist, and it hurts a lot to go through. So please take care of your children. That's it. And lastly, I would like to thank Anjali Cheji for giving me a platform to share my thoughts. So I'm thankful to you. Thank you so much for having me on your channel. And guys, please subscribe to her channel. She makes awesome content. And if you like this video, please share this video with everyone who is going through body shaming, or or even with people who are bullying you. If they change because of this, I would be more happy. Please stop body shaming people. We all are beautiful in our own way.
Thank you so much അമ്പിളി ഈ ഒരു സെഗ്മെന്റിൽ വന്നതും അമ്പിളിയുടെ സ്ലൈസ് ഓഫ് ലൈഫ് ഞങ്ങളായിട്ട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്തു.
Thank you so much for having me on your channel, Chechi, and letting me say everything that I wanted and giving me a platform to express my thoughts. Thank you so much for that.
അമ്പിളിയുടെ ഈ ഇൻസ്പയറിംഗ് സ്റ്റോറി ഞങ്ങളായിട്ട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്തതും വളരെയധികം നന്ദിയുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ ഒരു മെസ്സേജ് ഉറപ്പായിട്ടും കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് ഞാനും വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നത്. പ്ലീസ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ബോഡി ഷേമിംഗ്. നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത സെഗ്മെന്റിൽ കാണാം. അതുവരേക്കും നമസ്കാരം.